The threat was the confession. When a company threatens to leave a state for holding it accountable, the company has already lost the argument. Meta's own employees documented the problem. One researcher flagged up to 500,000 child exploitation incidents daily across Facebook and Instagram. A separate internal calculation confirmed that rolling out end-to-end encryption would suppress detection of millions of child abuse cases. Meta rolled it out anyway. The jury in New Mexico didn't need to speculate about what the company knew. The company wrote it down. The verdict was $375 million. What Meta did next was threaten to stop operating in the state entirely, rather than face a second trial. The second trial is about injunctive relief, court-mandated changes to how Meta operates for users under 18. Meta's position is that complying is technically impossible. The Attorney General's position is that a company willing to redesign its products for authoritarian governments to preserve market access is not being stopped by technical constraints. That's Meta's own record. A company that rewrites its rules for foreign governments on demand does not get to claim it lacks the capability to protect children at home. The threat to exit New Mexico isn't a legal strategy. It's a pressure campaign aimed at the wrong audience. New Mexico has 2.1 million people. Meta has 3 billion users. The company is not protecting a revenue stream. It is refusing to accept that a state court has authority over its product decisions, and it is dressing that refusal up as a technical limitation. Every time Meta repeats that claim, it confirms the trial's central finding, that the company has always known what it was doing and chosen to keep doing it. The threat doesn't obscure that conclusion. It restates it. A company that genuinely couldn't fix the problem would say so quietly and negotiate. A company that won't fix the problem makes noise about leaving. New Mexico called it a PR stunt. That's the correct read. The threat confirms exactly what the trial established, that Meta's first instinct, when forced to choose between child safety and product control, is to protect the product.